out my head. If we'd have stayed in Wales, things would have gone from bad to worse for us.
Very admirable, doing it for your daughter.
Must be hard when you see her making mistakes.
Well, that's how she learns.
So what was she learning from Justin? Because you can't have been happy about that.
I told you I was fine with it.
I don't buy that.
When they always say that girls end up with blokes just like their dads, don't they? The comment she'd have no chance of meeting anyone bad for her.
Except for Nikolaichenko. How did he end up at the commune?
I don't know.
Okay, different question. How did he die?
I killed him.
I killed him. Really? Why was that? Because he was stealing from us.
What was he stealing? Potatoes, goat's milk.
It's not often I find myself in this position. 2 confessions, and I don't believe a word of either of them.
Governor, I think you'd better hear this.
Interview suspended at 11:46. What?
I killed him.
Order your succulent Norfolk Black Turkey now, and it'll be ready and waiting in store in time for Christmas. Sainsbury's, bringing you all of the ingredients for a show-stopping Christmas.
We have always had a passion for speed. To be faster. To be better. BT Infinity is 4 times faster than Sky's typical broadband speeds. And our fibre optic network is at the heart of the London 2012 Olympic Games. Infinity.